Our next topic is about vowel length. This can be a problem area, perhaps because of English-speaking fear. Remember, we talked about that in topic 1, pausing. Again, some people speak English too fast, so for certain words they may not produce a long enough vowel sound. Meaning can get lost. Here are some examples of long and short vowels, similar sounds, with a slightly different tongue position to produce these sounds. Ship, sheep. The vowel sound is very similar, but the length creates a different word and a different meaning. Pull, pool. Again, the vowel sound is very similar, but the length establishes the different vocabulary. Cap, cab. Once again, the vowels are similar, and the spelling similar too, so the different words are mainly identified through the different vowel length. Get ready to do activity E, featuring similar vowel sounds of different length. Tick which word you hear. Are you ready? Beat, feel, it, sit. I'll repeat one more time. Beat, feel, it, sit. Now check your answers. Next, an activity for you to do on your own. Put the words from the box into the correct column of the table for short or long vowel sounds. Pause for a moment and do activity F. Now check your answers and voice out the words after me. Pill, peel. Sill, seal. Sit, seat. Pit, peat. Bin, bean. Lip, leap. Mill, meal. Sick, seek. Chick, cheek. Dip, deep. Wit, wheat. Sip, seep. If you'd like to further improve and practice your pronunciation and speaking skills, here are 3 ways the ELC can help you. Join a workshop focusing on a pronunciation feature of your choice. Book a one-to-one session with a teacher. Or work online and independently through our Sounds website.